Hello, I am Tarla Dalal speaking. I am going to teach you today how to make mixed sprouts rice. Just have to cook the rice and cook the vegetables. There you are, ready. And when the guests come, serve it with curry or dahi, whatever you like it. It's a beginners can also make it. It does not have too many spices. It's just right kind of spice. It tastes yummy. First, let's prepare the rice. This rice is cooked in a pressure cooker. This is basmati rice. It's soaked and water is drained. It's ready for cooking. So we have got all the ingredients are ready. So let's start cooking. Heat the ghee. Add little jeera, cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf and cardamom. Cardamom should be broken a little bit. This is very important here to fry this everything properly. It's very simple, easy to do it. All of you must remember 1 cup of rice takes 2 cups of water. Here we are going to do it exactly. We have got 1 1/4 cup of rice, so comes 2.5 cups of water. Don't do any miscalculation. This is very important. Supposing you are adding vegetables while cooking or other dals, then you take out separate water for that. But this much water is a must. Then you add extra water. This is ready. I am going to add the rice. Cook the rice very well in the masala. Add a little turmeric powder, salt to taste and hot water. Cook faster. She starts boiling immediately. That's the best part of it. Now what you have to do is this. If you are a beginner, you don't know how to cook. What you have to do is this. Taste the water. Taste the water. Does it have enough salt or not? That's the way. Right now you can add. Later on, rice can't be mixed with salt. It won't mix well. That's why. So add salt if you want it right away. So this is the way. So now pressure cook rice for 2 minutes. And then by the time we start making sprouts and vegetable mixture. Simple to do and very tasty. Heat butter. And these are grated onions. Add it quickly before butter burns. Right. Allow it to cook for a while. We are making the sprouts masala. So we have to add lots of spices. Now the onions are getting brown. See. So I'm going to add garlic paste. Very little chili powder, pav bhaji masala. Before the spices get burned out, sprinkle little water and start cooking. It's much better. Because we take less butter. That's why they start burning. So if you want more butter, no need to add water. So now chop tomatoes. And again sprinkle little water. Wow. We want tomatoes to be cooked. So I'm going to add now our cooked sprouts. a few boiled vegetables. If you only sprouts also it will work. But these boiled vegetables makes it colorful. So we are going to add a few boiled vegetables. Add very little water again. The lovely sprouts mixture is ready. Now we add salt, a little coriander, and cook again. See, just now if you like the mixture as it is, it's fine. If you want more khatai, add a small spoon of tomato pure. But I don't think you need it. It's quite tasty. It depends on how your tomatoes are. See, the lovely mixture is ready. Our rice is ready. So I'm going to open it. See how beautiful it looks. And what you have to do is this. Just pick up your rice and don't stir the rice here. Just put it on top properly. Wow. The color of the rice is also beautiful. Now I am going to mix it with a light hand, the whole thing. Okay? And then we are going to pack it in a mold and invert. It will look very pretty. It will taste also lovely. Because this is not a, separate biryani. It is just a, what do you call, like a khichdi. Done. Just a lovely rice. If you feel like serving with fresh curds or raita if you like it, or curry, whatever you like it. It tastes nice, yummy. So let's start packing. It's such a simple rice, tasty, and you can do it when you're watching the television. This makes a meal by itself. That's a true thing. And the color is beautiful actually. So, if you pack it beforehand, grease the mold. If you're serving it immediately, no need. These are small things you have to remember. So, here we are. Here we are. Do it. Oh, wow, 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 wow. And right now you can center it the way you want it before lifting the bowl. Take it on the center, then lift the bowl. That's your rice. It's beautiful, lovely. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.